how much should you actually spend on a lithium battery for your e-bike? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, YSYOSC Power 48 V13Ah battery. First up is the YSYOSC Power electric bike battery, available in various capacities up to 20 Ah. What caught my attention is its solid price point of $223.79, making it a mid-range option. If you want a reliable battery that offers decent range and a good safety profile, this is worth a serious look. This battery features a 48 V13Ah capacity, which means you can expect a single charge range of about 4,160 kilometers, depending on several factors like rider weight and terrain. That's pretty impressive for everyday commuting. It also has a built-in 30A BMS protection system, which offers various safety features including short-circuit protection and temperature control. That's crucial because nobody wants a battery that could potentially fail on a ride. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's really about being patient and making sure you've got the keys handy to unlock the battery holder. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice safety. Skip this one if you need a battery for high-performance motors over 900 W. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the installation frustration bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an easier setup. Product number 2, YSYOSC Power 48 V15Ah battery. Next, we have the YSYOSC Power 48 V15Ah battery. Priced at $305.89, this battery is a step up in capacity and features. If you want a battery that maximizes range and speed for your e-bike, this is worth considering. The 48 V15Ah capacity means you can expect a range of about 5,175 kilometers on a single charge. Plus, it boasts a built-in 30A BMS, which protects against overcharging and short circuits. Safety is paramount, especially if you're planning to ride regularly. However, some reviews pointed out that the battery can take a bit longer to charge, around 8 hours. Now, here's the thing, if you're okay with charging overnight, it's not a deal breaker. Just plan ahead. This is perfect for you if you're a commuter looking for reliability and extended range. Skip this one if you want something that charges extremely fast. It's a solid investment for serious riders. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more power. Product number 3, Rientian Dorado Plus 48 V17.5Ah battery. Up next is the Rientian Dorado Plus, which packs a punch at 48 V with a capacity of 17.5 Ah for $329. If you want a high-quality battery with an impressive lifespan, you'll want to pay attention. This battery integrates 65 automotive A+ grade cells, ensuring durability and a longer life cycle than most competitors. So if you need that extra boost, this battery has got you covered. However, some users mention that this battery can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing, if you're used to compact batteries, this might take some getting used to, but for performance, it can be worth the trade-off. This battery is perfect for you if you prioritize quality and longevity. Skip it if you need something lightweight for a casual ride. The value you get with its capacity and durability is definitely there. Now, if you're looking for a more compact option, this next one might just fit the bill. Product number 4, VATOSO48V lithium battery. Next up is the VATOSO48V battery, which comes in 2 capacity options, 12 Ah and 20 Ah, priced at $169.96. This is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you want a reliable battery without too much investment, this is a great choice. The built-in 30A BMS offers solid protection against overcharge and short circuits, keeping your ride safe. Plus, it features universal connectors that fit most setups, which is super convenient. However, some reviews mention that the battery can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, if you're sensitive to sound or looking for a whisper-quiet ride, this could be a minor annoyance. But for most, it's a small price to pay for the functionality. This battery is perfect for you if you want a versatile and easy-to-install option. Skip it if you're specifically looking for a high-capacity battery for heavy-duty use. It's a solid value for the capabilities you get. Alright, that was a great option for budget-minded buyers. But if you want something with even more power, let's check out the final option. Product number 5. PLX-NYLB 22.4Ah Electric Bike Battery. Finally, we have the PLX-NYLB 22.4Ah Electric Bike Battery. Priced at $279, this battery is designed for serious riders needing heavy-duty power. If you need a battery that can handle up to 2,000 W motors, this one's worth your time. It comes with a built-in 50A BMS for excellent safety and a unique design that includes a real-time LED battery indicator. This means you'll always know how much juice you have left. On the downside, some folks found the battery a bit heavy at 8.95 pounds. Here's the thing, if you're okay with a little extra weight for top performance, it's not a deal breaker. Just be prepared for that heft. This is perfect for you if you're looking for maximum range and power. Skip this if you want a lightweight option for casual riding. The performance you get is definitely worth it for serious cyclists. So there you have it, 5 solid options for lithium batteries for e-bikes. From budget-friendly picks to high-capacity powerhouses, there's something for everyone. Just keep in mind what you need most, whether it's range, weight, or charging time, and you'll find the perfect fit for your e-bike.